how to install Instagram on iPhone iOS 26. First, let's return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe across and go into your app library and open up the App Store. Now in App Store, tap on the search button, and here you want to type in Instagram. So type in Instagram. Then we go down and tap on the download button. Right here, this is the download button. So tap on the download button. Now, if you haven't signed into your Apple account before, you need to sign into your Apple account with your Apple ID before you can download. Once it's downloaded, it will automatically install on your device. Now, if you go back to your home screen, you can see it shows loading. So do not touch it, because if you touch it, it will pause. So just leave it and let it load. It is now downloading and installing the app on your device. Once it's downloaded, you can then go ahead and sign into Instagram. Okay, here it is now installed. So we can tap on it, and this will open up Instagram account, and then we can sign in. Okay, so once signed in, you can tap on the save button to save the information, the login info. And then I'm just going to tap on allow, and then here it says create new password. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.